If you have red or black sheets, change them immediately. Here's why. A research group from the University of Florida conducted an experiment with bed bugs. Watch my video till end for better understanding. Let's start quickly. Do subscribe my channel Cares and Cures for latest updates. The bugs were put in Petri dish and the aim was to discover what color they preferred. The results showed that they reacted to red and black color the most, whereas they avoided green and yellow. According to the scientists, this is probably because red is the same color as the color of the interior shell, and they think that it's a big group of other bed bugs. Even though further research is still needed, the best option is to change the color of your bed sheets to either green or yellow and reduce the amount of bed bugs in your bedroom. The Cares and Cure team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and let us know what you think in the comments below.